Good AM. Today is Tuesday, March 26, 2024, and here are the 10:30 a.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Shore 3 10:30 a.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for March 26, 2024, Tuesday. Here are the STL Shore 3 10:30 a.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Tuesday, March 26, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of March 26, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.